We are in the middle of a heat wave and it's horrendous. It's horrendous. I don't know in Fahrenheit, but they say it's 41 Celsius in the shade. So that makes it around 50 in the sun. It's horrendous. And then we have the storms coming up, just like in France. It's horrible. Yesterday, the boyfriend of a friend felt really ill. They called the ambulance. It didn't come for 2 hours. Then he started to feel better. It was a heat stroke. Thank God for AC, right? Thank God for AC. I'm going to rush a little bit through this bag. It's Modern Home Ec. It's another grocery haul. This is a summer heat stroke, heat wave edition, because we also have ice cream. So salami, I'm gonna make some pizza when the heat will strike, when the thunderstorm will strike, because it's gonna get cooler. I got here some pieces of bone and meat turkey for a soup, and this entire chicken, I'm going to cut it into pieces and make it a stew. I am dealing with the heat in the kitchen once a few days. Mozzarella to meal prep some food, because I cannot cook every single night. It's horrendous. Ice cream. I like these ones because they are smaller, right? They are not big shape. Another type of ice cream. Everybody got their own type of ice cream. Broccoli and cauliflower and carrots. And this is mine. I'm going to have it for a couple of weeks. I wanted some plain ice cream and some beef meat for what was it? Chili con carne. All right, so eggs. They are really good these days. Remember that I got a few weeks ago, maybe a couple of months, ghee. This is how much we used. It's really delicious. I love it. I'm cooking with it. I'm cooking with lard as well, because I'm mixing and matching stuff. This is parsley, mozzarella for pizza, cheese, some bread that I don't consider to be bread, but anyway. Sausages, Nuremberg sausages. Knockoffs of Snickers. Bologna. I got two types of mustard. One is spicy, one is regular, because we got out of mustard, pate, and some ketchup, because we discovered that we don't have ketchup anymore. Oh, some cold water. Whew, that was good. And this bag is over. Now on to the next bag. Bagged rice. I find it easier to just boil it when I need it. Corn for polenta. I got myself a very veiny sweet potato. I'm gonna make some potatoes in the oven. Tuna in its own juice, so in water. Bell peppers for salads. I still have tomatoes left from the last week. Onions for the soup and the stew. I'm not buying in bulk anymore because it's too hot, so they spoil. a bag of Takis, oil for popcorn. I don't know why, but I will still have to change my mind about it. Some foil because I want to make water bottle. I want to make my own pattern of my own body, and I'm gonna use these two, and I'm gonna use the stuffing from 2 pillows that are really old. Good. And now fresh onion, lettuce, I'll put it here, cucumbers. I didn't get carrots this time because I knew I still have some. Okay, fresh potatoes, new potatoes. I'm just going to wash them good and bake them with the red one, with the sweet one. Bananas, green bananas. Greek yogurt, 10%. This is the only way I buy it. I don't like the 2% one. Salami biscuits for the bananas in the morning. Tomato juice for my tomato soup. And Romanian zucchinis for the soup as well. Alrighty, so in my try on hauls and in my clothing videos, I always speak about the fact that clothes don't fit me well. Even this romper, like it's flattening, the button here, it's almost exploding, but I still like it. So what I aim to do is to chop a little bit on the leg and add a little triangle here to give more space to the chest. Now, I have no idea how to. I'm going to watch plenty of tutorials, but I got me I ordered this and this machine, and the birthday gifts that I've received from people, because I got to the age where people don't know what to buy me for my birthday anymore, so they give me money. So I got this. I waited for it because I was not sure what to get for that, and I figured out, you know what, I'm starting it. I don't know how to. I'm honestly it's scared. But I think it's going to work out eventually. Let me not. So here I have the marking pen. This is the hidden zipper little leg, and different types of needles that will go for thick materials like jeans or leather or PVC. And I also got some very thin needles for stuff like tulle or organza, but I'm going to learn my process through them. And with the tape and with the foil, what I aim to do is to foil myself up and then stick it with this foil and then stuff it with some pillow stuffing, so I can create my own body, basically. So I was telling you that I saw a tutorial, seems pretty easy, but I do not have the skills to do that. I will wait for it. But until then, because I basically what I want to modify and what I want to change, it's on my body, because I do not fit the regular patterns. It's going to be an entire work to do all the learning and all the processing and all the information, but I am up to it. So I am going to start my cooking to have it out of the way, and in the meantime, while everything is boiling, I'm going to start to tangle my brains into the sewing machine. And I'm really excited for it. Yeah, so happy for it. Happy that you are here. I hope that if you're around Europe, I hope this heat wave is not stressing you out too much, like but it's impossible. It's horrible. And before, because this one is reversed, I don't see the screen, so I don't know if I'm speaking in an empty space, if I'm running out of space on this one here too. So thank you very much for being here. Thank you for watching. Give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and wish me luck. Thank you very much. Bye.